Hi, I'm Zigmars, and in the next 2 minutes I'm going to show you how to create an account on Aranet Cloud. So you have your sensors and your base station, and now you're thinking that you want more. You're ready to take your monitoring to the next level. The next step, of course, is creating a user account on the Aranet Cloud to unlock all the features that the cloud platform can offer. So simply go to aranet.cloud, and if you don't have an account, click register. Enter your email address, your name, come up with a good password, click register again, and after that you are going to receive a confirmation email to activate your account. The first time you log into the platform, you can start a free, unlimited 30-day trial, where you can try out the features that Aranet Cloud offers. Now everything is ready for you to enable your Aranet Pro base station to upload the data to the cloud. If you are creating a company account, you will also need to enter your billing information. Just click on Create New Organization, and after choosing the type of license, select Company Use. After registering the company, the Aranet Cloud will generate a unique registration code to be used for cloud pairing. Copy this code, then log into the Aranet Pro base station as an administrator, navigate to Aranet Cloud menu, and finally enter your email and cloud registration code. Within minutes, the data will start to appear on Aranet Cloud, including the historic measurement data stored on your base station. That is really it. It's not that difficult to set up an account. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.